Textiles, and today I'm going to be talking about the Nuance Woodglide Pole. The Nuance Woodglide Pole is a 50mm wooden pole that's designed and crafted in Italy. It comes with a reversible finish. It's available reeded on one side and smooth on the other, allowing you to just turn the pole straight around for a different finish. Unlike a traditional wooden pole, this comes with an inset track inside. It utilises the Evaglide hand-drawn track. It's available in 7 contemporary colours, including Windsor White, Sandringham Silver, Granite, Cream Gold, Dove Grey, West Gold and Linen, as can be seen on the board next to me. The track inset inside is available in 3 colours, including white, silver and black. It's available on a made-to-measure service. We will supply up to 3 metres in length with a solid piece of wood, or up to 6 metres with 2 pieces of wood that will be joined by the bracket. The brackets themselves are C-shaped, which leaves a channel exposed at the base so it doesn't interfere with the running of the actual track. The carriers can run the entire length of the pole without interfering with the brackets. It's available with 3 finial options, including a smooth ball, a ribbed ball, consort. It's also available with a plain end cap. It can be supplied with standard carriers or the Easy Fold, Easy Flex or Easy Wave carriers. We do also sell a display stand which can be wall mounted or is portable. If you wish to purchase one of these, then please speak to your local agent or rep or get in touch with the office. Thank you.